Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday, where we take a look at the NZSX 50 and see how it's performed for the week. That all-important housekeeping, remember that this is just for educational purposes only, certainly not intended for any personalised financial advice. So let's take a look. Right, I've got the main indices up on the board here, which is the NZSX 50. And I've already put my moving averages on, being the 50 and 30 week moving averages, exponential moving averages. And you can see here that last week the market did close up, which is great. Market's already open. I'm recording this on Monday morning. So that's what that little red candle is there about to start. That's for the week beginning the 11th of November. So we won't worry about it too much because, I mean, the market's only been open half an hour, so it's nothing to read into. But yeah, we can see here that the market did close up for the week, which is great. You know, it is a good positive sign. You can clearly see with this dashed line, which is just showing where the market value is at the moment, we're pretty much range bound. And we really have been since the middle of August this year. We've sort of got that line of resistance forming just above where the dash line is at the moment. And then we've also got that line of support where I'll just sort of hover my cursor here. So around that 12,200 mark, we've sort of got a line of support. So it looks like the market is sort of just trending a little bit. There's nothing that is explosive and driving this market forward. It's just, like I said, in a holding pattern. So even though we saw a positive week last week, there wasn't a lot of volume there. You can tell that by the volume indicator at the bottom of the chart. So for me, I want to be seeing our market in an upward trajectory. Hey, it could just be in this holding pattern until it catches its breath and then moves again, but only time will tell. But in order for it to be a good, strong, positive market or a bull market, we want to actually see some very strong candles. And you can see back here, like that one there was a very, very good, strong candle. Even though the market didn't move very much, it was still positive. And that's the sort of thing that we want to see. Good, strong green candles with obviously the overall market trading up. So you can also see, if I look down here at the ATR, which is just a volatility indicator, and it just lets me know basically how much potential movement there is in this market. And you can see here, whilst it's still quite high at 246, started to slope down, which is another really, really good sign. For the main board, I wouldn't really worry too much about the other two indicators at this stage. I just use them to basically get an idea where the market is sort of going. If it's something that I'm interested in pursuing. When I start looking at overall trends, I want to make sure that the market is still trading up. Whereas at the moment, I'm not taking any interest in those bottom two indicators. So it's just that main chart. I hope that's helped. Like I said, we're in a bit of a holding pattern. And that also means with buying shares, you don't have to buy shares just because you're into the share market. It's okay to sit on the sidelines. It's okay to have money in cash and just wait until there is potential to go in. You don't have to be in at all times. I certainly don't do that. And I know a lot of other top share traders don't do that either. They certainly make the most of the cash market. However, what a lot of good traders do is they use trailing stops, and that protects their capital. It means that if a share or an indice starts to fall, there's a certain level at which they know, good traders know, they're going to get out of the market and they will sell their holdings. Hey, whether it's a short-term blip or whether it's something more severe, who knows? Only time tells. But the thing is you can always get back in, because if you've got your capital, you can keep playing. If you've lost your capital, that's it. Game over. So anyway, I hope you're getting some value out of that. And remember to like my channel. It really does help me. And also let me know if there is any shares that you would like me to review. I'm happy to do it. Speaking of which, got to watch Thursday's video on doing KMD brands. To me, it's a prime chart that you really want to look out for. So hopefully you'll get some value out of that as well. So anyway, until next week, take care.